All right. Thank you, officer. Thank you, everyone. Please be seated. Good afternoon. It is the 26th day of the month, the 2 p.m. calendar. On the first day of July, orders were read onto the record that affect all of you regarding DNA and fingerprinting. Just a moment, I'm going to call you up to the podium one at a time. When you get to the podium, I need your name. I'll tell you the charges you're here on. I'll appoint most of you an attorney. I'll set your next hearing date, give you a location. I'll set your general release conditions. All of you will have general release conditions. They are as follows. Do not make contact with the arresting officers. Do not possess any drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license. Keep us informed as to where you are living. If you're on probation, you'll be ordered to contact your probation officer. If the charges you're being seen here on today indicate there may be a victim, you'll be ordered to stay away from that victim and not return to the scene of the alleged crime. At the end of the hearing, all of this will be handed to you in writing at your convenience. Read it over again. Thank you, folks. The record will reflect I read the victim's impact statement on number 2, the court calendar. Michael Mays, Mr. Mays, come on up. You're first. Braden Twitchell. Braden, why don't you sit in the chair right next to the door, be on deck, so to speak. Good afternoon, Mr. Mays. Tell me your name.
Sir.
Your name, please.
Michael Mays.
Sir, you have two different matters. The first one's out of Cochise County. It's taking the identity of another. I cannot appoint you an attorney in Cochise. That's up to the Cochise judge. You're going to meet him or her on the 30th of this month in Cochise. The Cochise judge wants you held non-bondable until you see them on the 30th. The second matter, sir, is a local matter here in Maricopa County. It's a probation violation. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the first day of August. Bond is set at $50. You may want to contact your probation officer, see if they've got any good ideas on how to combine Cochise and Maricopa. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Braden, why don't you come on up, Braden? And Bernard Lee is after Braden. Good afternoon, sir. Tell me your name, please.
Braden Twitchell.
Date of birth, please, sir.
10/19/2000.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you have two different petitions. The first one is dangerous drugs and drug paraphernalia. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing date is the 31st. Bond is set at $50. The next one, sir, is a drug paraphernalia matter, 2 counts, same attorney. Next hearing date on this one is the 31st day of July, downtown Phoenix. Because it allegedly happened while you were on felony release on that first one, you have to be held non-bondable until you see the next judge on the 31st. They can change all of this. Good luck, sir.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too, sir. Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, come on up, and Mr. Carr is after Mr. Lee. Tell me your name, sir.
Bernard Lee.
Mr. Lee, this is a probation violation out of Pinell County. I cannot appoint you an attorney in Pinell. That's up to the Pinell judge. You'll meet the Pinell judge on the 30th day of this month. The Pinell judge wants you held non-bondable until you see him or her on the 30th. Good luck, sir. Mr. Carr. And after this gentleman is Schaefer. Tell me your full name, sir.
R.G. Karar.
I apologize for mispronouncing your last name, sir.
No, you're good.
Sir, this is 1 count of burglary, a Class 3 felony, 1 count of aggravated assault with a weapon or dangerous instrument, Class 3 felony, prohibited possessor, Class 4 felony, tampering with evidence, Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct with a weapon, Class 6 felony, burglary tools, Class 6 felony, and carrying a weapon under the age of 21 is a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. You have 2 hearing dates coming up, the 31st of this month and the 4th of next month, both of them downtown Phoenix. Bond is $25,000. Good luck, sir. Malik, Schaefer, come on up, Malik. And then Sean Francis is after this gentleman. Tell me your full name, please.
Malik Schaefer.
I mispronounced your first name. I apologize.
Oh, that's fine.
Aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony, disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing date, downtown Phoenix, is the 31st of this month. Bond is set at $10,000. Good luck, sir. Mr. Francis, come on up, Mr. Francis. And Edwin Garcia is after Francis. Tell me your full name, please.
Sean Michael Francis.
Mr. Francis, this is one petition with multiple counts. Narcotic drugs for sale, Class 2 felony. Dangerous drugs for sale, Class 2 felony. Transportation for sale of dangerous drugs, Class 2 felony. Narcotic drugs, strike that. The third one, dangerous drugs, transportation to sell. Narcotic drugs, transporting to sell. Possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, a Class 4 felony. Possession of a weapon in a drug offense, a Class 4 felony. Theft is a Class 6 felony. Drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. Carrying a deadly weapon and failure to admit, that's a misdemeanor. I have appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $10,000. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Garcia, Edwin. And after Edwin is Mr. Wade. Tell me your full name, sir.
Edwin Jose Garcia.
Mr. Garcia, this is 2 counts. The first one, organized retail theft, is a Class 4 felony, and another one of organized retail theft as a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the first day of August. Bond is set at $5,000. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Wade, come on up, Mr. Wade. And Mr. Stevens, Christopher, is after Mr. Wade. Good evening. Pushing it. Good afternoon, sir. Tell me your full name.
Brad Wade.
Sir, this is 1 count of assault as a Class 2 felony, 1 count of assault as a Class 3 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $5,000. Good luck, sir. Mr. Stevens, come on up. And Marietta is after Stevens. Good afternoon, sir. Tell me your name, please.
Christopher Stevens.
Sir, this is aggravated assault as a Class 3 felony, theft to control of property as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $2,500. Good luck, sir. Francisco, come on up, Francisco. And then Anderson is after Marietta. Tell me your full name, please.
Francisco Murrieta.
Sir, this is exceeding speed. This is the Yarnell Justice Court. It's in another county. Exceeding speed by over 20 miles per hour over the posted. Driving on a suspended, revoked, or canceled license, and failure to appear after written promise. Those are all misdemeanors. The Yarnell judge wants a $1,000 bond. You'll meet the Yarnell judge on the 30th of this month at the Yarnell Justice Court. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
See. Counsel, are you with the court?
Yes, I'm here,
Ms.
Your
Gaunt?
Honor.
Ms. Gaunt, which case would you like to be heard on?
I'm here for number 2 and number 33, Your Honor.
Let me call those right after this one. Is that all right, counsel?
That's fine, Your Honor. I see number 2 right now marked as a house call, so I don't know if MCSO was going to bring him in or not.
They are not. He is on suicide watch. So, but you still want to make a recommendation, is that correct, counsel?
Yes, please.
All right. Mr. Anderson, I apologize. Tell me your full name, please.
Bronson Ger Anderson, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is unlawful flight as a Class 6 felony, reckless driving as a Class 2 misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is on the 11th of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out here in about 6 hours. That officer right to your left is going to hand you a whole bunch of paperwork. Read it carefully. Those are the rules you have to follow to stay out of trouble between now and the next hearing. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Gaunt, that was number 2. Let's look at number 2, which is a house call. He's on self-harm watch. It's a murder charge. Counsel, do you have a recommendation?
Thank you, Your Honor. The state is asking for a $1 million cash-only bond in this matter. I believe that the court was provided earlier with a victim impact statement. I don't know if there are victims present in court today, and if there are, if they wish to address the court. If there are, we would request that the court hear from them. Unfortunately, as the court can see from the charges in the Form 4, the victim is deceased. There was a significant history of domestic violence between the subject and the victim. Our understanding is that the victim has some significant, that the perpetrator has some significant mental health concerns, which appear to be escalating at this time. We are concerned that he is a significant danger to the community, as well as a potential danger to the victim's next of kin. Thank you.
Thank you, counsel. I'll take that matter under advisement until I talk to the young man at his cell door and make an assessment there. But thank you, counsel. The next one is number, did you say 32, counsel?
No, number 33, Your Honor.
Pardon me? Oh, thank you. No, counsel, number 33 was, we were informed that it was actually an error in the date of birth. He should not have been seen in adult court. So this court, no action. What happened at 8 o'clock this morning, and he is now being rebooked into juvenile. Do you have anything else you wish to add to it?
No, Your Honor. I just wanted to make sure that the record was clear in regards to what happened in that situation. I appreciate it. Thank you, Your Honor.
And my apologies on behalf of the court to both juvenile and the 8 o'clock calendar. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Cunningham. Mr. Cunningham, come on up. And after Mr. Cunningham is Mr. Estrella. Good afternoon, Mr. Anderson. Tell me your full name, please.
It's Cunningham.
Mr. Cunningham, I apologize.
Quaison Cunningham. That's my full name, Your Honor.
Thank you. Sir, this is unlawful discharge of a firearm within the city limits. That's a Class 6 felony, and carrying a weapon under the age of 21, which is a misdemeanor. I have appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. That officer to your far left is going to hand you a whole bunch of paperwork. Read it carefully. Those are the rules you have to stay out of. Those are the rules you must follow to stay out of trouble. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Manuel Estrella. And Ronald Perry is after Manuel.
Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon. Tell me your name, please.
Manuel Estrella Jr., sir.
Thank you. This is a burglary case as a Class 3 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th at downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. One of those officers to your left, you're going to hand you a whole bunch of paperwork. Read it carefully. Those are the rules you must follow to stay out of trouble. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Perry, Ronald, come on up. And William Glover is after Mr. Perry. Tell me your full name, Mr. Perry.
Ronald Perry.
Mr. Perry, this is narcotic drugs and dangerous drugs. Those are both Class 4 felonies. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 11th of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Read the paperwork carefully. Those are the rules you have to follow. Plus, we have a diversion program if you and your attorney are interested.
All right,
sir.
Thank you.
William Glover, come on up, William. Tell me your full name, please.
William Douglas Glover.
Sir, this is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your probation revocation hearing is going to be on the 1st of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. When you step outside this building in about 5 hours, at about 7 o'clock tonight, you must contact your probation officer. I know it's a weekend, but you have to try. If you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet on the 1st 2 very good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Perillo. Alejandro. And Warren is after this gentleman. Tell me your full name, sir.
Alonzo Carrillo.
Sir, this is a dangerous drug case, a Class 4 felony, aggravated assault on a first responder, a Class 5 felony, drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony, resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony, theft of services as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. Good luck, sir.
Sir, we got a question.
I may not have an answer, but go right ahead.
How do I need to go to the hospital? My neck is fucked up.
Pardon me?
My neck and my back.
We have what's called a tank order. You can ask one of the officers that takes you back. You ask to see the medical team, and the medical team will assess you. And then they have access to hospitalization.
Thank you.
Good luck, sir. Mr. Warren, Jeremy. Mr. Warren? I think Jeremy is, after Jeremy is Mr. Gibson. Ryan. Ryan, why don't you sit in the chair next to the door? Mr. Warren, tell me your name, please.
Jeremy Dwayne Warren.
Sir, you have 2 different petitions. The first one is dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing date is the 11th of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours.
Yes, sir.
The next one, sir, is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you that same attorney. You have a hearing on the 1st day of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being again released on your own recognizance. At about 7 o'clock tonight, when you step outside this building, you must contact your probation officer. Follow their rules, follow my rules. You're given the next judge you meet on the 1st 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st.
Wow.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Good luck.
I thought it was something totally different. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, the best thanks I can get is for me not to ever see you again. No offense taken. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Gibson, come on up.
Hello. What up,
Mr. Gibson, tell me your full name, please.
Ryan Gibson, sir.
Mr. Gibson, this is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is going to be on the 1st day of August, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance, sir. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. At about 7 o'clock tonight, when you step outside this building, you must contact your probation officer, at least leave a message. If you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet on the 1st. Very good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Charles McAllister. Mr. McAllister, come on up. And Mr. Sines is after Mr. McAllister. Tell me your name, sir.
Charles McAllister.
Mr. McAllister, this is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. Your probation revocation is going to be on the first day of August, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. When you step outside this building, you must contact your probation officer. Follow their rules and my rules. You're given the next judge you meet on the first. 2 very good reasons to not put you in prison on the first.
That was like
Good
a
luck, sir.
statue.
Carlos. Signs, Mr. Signs.
That fool was not moving.
And after Carlos is Marcus Kendrick.
Hey, what up,
Tell me your
everybody?
full
What
name,
up,
please,
Tonka?
sir.
What up,
Carlos Miguel Cianos, Your Honor.
Hector?
Sir, this is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an
Bingo.
attorney. Your probation revocation hearing is going to be on the 1st of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. When you step outside this building tonight, you must call your probation officer. Follow their rules and my rules. You're given the next judge you meet on the 1st. 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck, sir. Mr. Kendrick, Marcus, come on up. And Michael Tobar is after Mr. Kendrick.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing well. I hope you are too under the circumstances. Tell me your full name.
Marcus Jermaine Kendrick Jr.
Sir, this is disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor. Disorderly conduct by gestures, that's usually obscene languages. And then opposing police officers, all misdemeanors. Sir, I cannot appoint you an attorney. The Goodyear judge can, but they probably won't. These are normally just fine issues.
What up, Krista?
You're going to meet the Goodyear judge. He or she will give you more information on the 13th of next month. You're being released on your own recognizance. Don't make contact with the alleged victim. Don't return to the scene of the alleged crime. Stay out of trouble, sir. Good luck.
Yes, sir.
You'll be out in 6 hours.
Your Honor.
Michael, come on up, Michael. And then Laura Castro. Miss Castro is after Mr. Tobar. Mr. Tobar, tell me your full name.
Michael Vicente Tover?
Sir, this first matter is aggravated driving under the influence, a class 4 felony, and then also a second aggravated driving under the influence, third in time, a class 4 felony. Misdemeanor driving under the influence, another misdemeanor driving under the influence, a third misdemeanor driving under the influence, as well as driving on a suspended, revoked, or canceled license, also a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th of next month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Also indicates you're on probation. Contact your probation officer. Driving under the influence also has a civil side to it, and that is driving privileges, revocations, or suspensions. Before you get behind the wheel again and get yourself in more trouble, make sure you got a valid license. Good luck, sir.
All right, thank you.
Sir, again, I back up. Your probation violation matter will be heard on the first day of August, downtown Phoenix. You have the same attorney. Step outside this building in about 5 hours. Call your probation officer.
Okay.
Good luck, sir.
That's at 8 a.m., right?
Pardon me?
Up here at 8 a.m. in the
8
morning?
a.m. in the morning, yes, sir. It's all. I think it's at 8:30, 8:30 and 8:31.
Thank you.
Miss Castro, Laura, come on up, Laura. And then Nicholas is after Laura. Shindy Wolf. Tell me your full name, please, Miss Castro.
Laura Lorraine Castro.
Miss Castro, this is threatening and intimidating as a misdemeanor, criminal damage as a misdemeanor, disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor. It's out of the Surprise Municipal Court. You'll like the judge there. He's a great guy. I cannot appoint you an attorney. You're going to have to talk to the judge about that. They probably won't, but they can. You're going to meet that judge on the 19th in Surprise next month. Again, you're being released on your own recognizance. Do not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Do not make contact with the alleged victim. Victims, good luck, miss.
The guy I'm talking about is he would go into local businesses and pretend like he worked at those companies.
And Mr. Love is after.
And he would have like a whole entourage of people with him, and they would just create chaos.
Hello, Your Honor.
At those
Hello,
local
tell me your
businesses.
full name, sir.
Nicholas James Shinwolf.
Sir, this is criminal damage out of the El Mirage Municipal Court. I cannot appoint you an attorney for this misdemeanor matter. You're going to meet the El Mirage judge, though, who can. They probably won't, but they do have the authority. You're going to meet that judge on the 12th in El Mirage. You're being released on your own recognizance. Do not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Do not make contact with the alleged victim. Good luck, sir.
Sounds good. Have a nice day.
You too, sir. See? Yeah,
Caleb,
go right ahead.
I haven't had time to upload that
Yes,
video.
would you please?
I'll try to do it by tomorrow.
And we're gonna try to get language line for our one Spanish also.
So it was
Whoever
yesterday or
gets
the day
first.
before in the morning? Okay, I'll check it out.
Are
Thanks,
we-
Hector.
Are we good, officers?
Yes, yeah, we're clear.
All right. Mr. Love, tell me your full name.
Latrey Shavante Love.
Mr. Love, the reasons the officers cleared the gallery
Oh, no.
is for your safety and safety of other people in this facility. Charges like this tend to make people a little bit upset, and people getting upset insta violence, and we try to avoid that at all costs. So please don't talk to anybody about these charges. Don't show anybody the paperwork. Only talk to your attorney, please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, this is one count of vulnerable adult, vulnerable child abuse, which is Class 2 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is the 31st this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $25,000. I wish you the best of luck, sir.
Thank you.
Disgusting, truly just
Any luck?
disgusting.
Can I read the house calls onto the record?
Oh, but they'll know. They'll know. Because I'm pretty sure they have separate
We
holding
screwed up
tanks.
our interpreter, our regular interpreter, so we're trying to get language line. Somebody will
Another one?
show up. I apologize, gentlemen.
Hell.
Sir, hold on. I'm starting another hearing. I'm waiting for him on the phone, okay? I can do the house calls? Okay, thank you. Number 2 on the court's calendar, Jared, and I'm not sure how to pronounce his last name. I'll probably screw it up. Bernal Binson, probably not close. His date of birth is March 15th of 2000. He's on suicide watch. This is a murder that was recommended, a $1 million by the county attorney bond. I do agree with that, $1 million plus electronic monitoring. I've appointed him an attorney. Next hearing is the 31st of this month. Ready? Thank you.
I hate the ads. The ads are the
Santiago
worst.
Martinez. Allí, por favor.
Ahí, por favor.
Is the attorney with the court?
No.
Would the interpreter please announce for the court?
Hey, what's up, Steven? I don't think so. I don't
Is the
think
interpreter with the court?
they get down like that over there.
I didn't touch anything this time, Robert. I didn't do it this time. Un momento, señor. And we were going so smoothly.
Smoothly. Shit. I wish they ran smoothly
Muchas
here.
gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Un momento, señor.
Un momento.
Number
We're gonna
13,
practice in Spanish.
Patrick
This guy.
Gaikun Dairo. I'm not even sure I'm close. Disorderly conduct is a misdemeanor. I cannot appoint an attorney. It's on the Surprise Municipal Court. Surprise judge wants a $1,000 bond. Next hearing is on the 5th day of August in Surprise, in front of Lou Dominguez. Well, he's the presiding judge. The juvenile calendar can't still be on. She only had 3 cases. The juvenile calendar can't still be on. She only had 3 cases.
Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and patch into the call, and the judge thank you for the instruction. I hate when they go silent, it makes me nervous.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Do I have the interpreter with me?
Yes, you do, Your Honor.
Thank you. We'll start the hearing now. Sir, please tell me your name.
Muy bien, yo seré su intérprete el día de hoy. Vamos a comenzar la audiencia. Señor, por favor, dígame su nombre.
Constantino Roberto Santiago Martínez.
Constantino Roberto Santiago Martínez.
Así es.
Sir, you're charged with one count of aggravated assault as a felony.
Muy bien, lo están acusando de un cargo por asalto agravado y es un delito mayor, un delito grave.
You're charged with 4 counts of child or vulnerable adult abuse. They are
what?
all felonies.
También tiene 4 cargos de abuso de niños o adultos vulnerables y todos son delitos graves.
I have appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is July 31st, downtown Phoenix.
Le he asignado un abogado y su próxima audiencia es el 31 de julio en el centro de Phoenix.
Your bond is $25,000. Good luck, sir.
31 de junio. No.
Su fianza es de $25,000. Buena suerte, señor. You said July 31st?
Yes.
Sí, señor.
$25,000.
And it's 25,000?
Yes, sir.
Sí, señor.
Good luck, senor.
Buena suerte, señor.
Okay, buena suerte.
The court wants to thank the interpreter. We could not have done this hearing without you. Thank you very much, miss.
It was my pleasure, Your Honor. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
¿Es todo?
Sí. Well, we did pretty good, didn't we?
You did pretty good, so he says. Anyhow, guys, I'll probably be back on maybe sometime later on in the night, maybe like the 8 o'clock or the 11 o'clock p.m. I do have a little bit of free time later on in the evening. Go ahead and catch up on some of these cases because I've definitely been MIA, if you will. We're going to be celebrating my wife's birthday, so I'm going to be out doing that right now. That's why I'm all spiffed up, if you will. Anyhow, hey, anybody know what that kid got charged? I wasn't here for that one. I've been missing in action. Anyhow, guys, I do appreciate you guys. I will be back later on. I am Collect Call. James, you are watching. You have a Collect Call from. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, I am out. Next court will be at 5 p.m. And then after that, we'll have the 7 p.m. Pima County Court. All right? You guys have a good one.
We ready, guys?
All right.
Thank you, officer.
Sir. Stand up. All right, you have four, sir. Sir. Stand up. You have four. All right.
Thank you, everyone. Please have a seat. Good evening. This is the 5 p.m. calendar. In just a moment, I'm going to call you up to the podium one at a time. When you get to the podium, I need your name. I'll tell you the charges you're here on. I'll appoint most of you an attorney. I'll set your next hearing date, give you location. I'll set your general release conditions. All of you will have general release conditions. They are as follows. Do not make contact with the arresting officers. Do not possess any drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license. Keep us informed as to where you're living. If you're on probation, you'll be ordered to contact your probation officer. If the charges you're being seen here today indicate that there may be a victim, you'll be ordered to stay away from that victim, alleged, and also wherever the incident allegedly occurred. All of this will be handed to you in writing at the end of your hearing. Take a moment, read it over. Thank you very much for listening. Nicholas Javins, Nicholas, come on up into the courtroom. And Sean Kelly, Mr. Kelly, there's a seat right next to the door. Why don't you get on deck, so to speak? Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Nicholas Javins.
I apologize for mispronouncing your last name, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, this first matter is out of Pinell County. It's a probation violation matter. I cannot appoint you an attorney in Pinell. That's up to the Pinell judge. You're going to meet him or her on the 30th day of this month in Pinell. They do want you held non-bondable until you meet them on the 30th. The next one, sir, is a burglary, a Class 4 felony. I did appoint you an attorney on that case. Your next hearing on that case is the 31st of this month. Bond is set at $50. Good luck, sir. Mr. Kelly, come on in. Mr. Kelly and Mr. Robinson's after Mr. Kelly. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening. Thank you, sir. I hope you're doing well under the circumstances.
Yes, sir. I've had better days, but hopefully it's okay.
Well, sir, this first matter is dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and drug paraphernalia. I appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is on the 31st of this month. Because this allegedly happened, because the next case we're talking about, you're on felony release, you must be held non-bondable until you see the next judge on the 30th. This next one, sir, is a warrant for your arrest for a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney on that. Your next hearing on that probation violation is on the 1st of next month. Bond is $50. All of this can change when you see your next judge. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Robinson, Jarrett, and Stephen Padilla is after Mr. Robinson. Tell me your full name, sir.
Jerry Clifford Jerome Robinson, Jr.
Sir, this is a dangerous drug case, a Class 4 felony, and a drug paraphernalia case, a Class 6 felony, also criminal trespassing as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is going to be on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Because this allegedly happened while you were on felony release on another matter, you must be held non-bondable until your next hearing. Good luck, sir.
So I'm not on felony release.
We cannot let you out until the 31st. Good luck, sir.
I'm not on felony release, though.
Well, sir, that's not what my records show. Good luck, sir. Good luck. Stephen, come on up, Stephen. And then Latoya is after Stephen. Good evening. Tell me your full name, please.
Stephen Bodie-Padilla.
Sir, this first matter is a misdemeanor drug paraphernalia out of the Tolleson court. I cannot appoint you an attorney in Tolleson. That's up to the Tolleson judge. They probably won't, but they have the authority. You're going to meet the Tolleson judge on the 11th. Tolleson judge wants a $500 bond. The next one, sir, is narcotic drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony, dangerous drug possession, Class 4 felony, possession of a weapon in a drug offense, Class 4 felony, possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, Class 4 felony, tampering with evidence, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing date on that one is the first day of August. Bond amount is $7,500 from the grand jury. The next one, sir, is dangerous drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony, narcotic drugs for sale, a Class 2 felony, 2 counts. 1 count of aggravated assault, Class 4 felony, 1 count of possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, Class 4 felony, 1 count of possession of a weapon in a drug offense, Class 4 felony, 1 count of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, and 1 count of resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing on those matters is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $10,000. I wish you the best of luck on all your charges. Good luck, sir. Latoya, why don't you come on up, Miss Latoya? And then Mr. Tungova, I hope I'm close. Tell me your full name, please, Miss.
Latoya Morsoff.
Miss, this is an aggravated assault with a deadly weapon or dangerous instrument, a Class 3 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, Miss. Your next hearing is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $15,000. Stay away from the victim, Miss. Good luck.
Don't mean I get released, I have to stay.
Sir, come on in. And then Mr. Wilson's after this gentleman. Was I even close on the pronunciation of your name? Thank you, sir. Sir, this is driving under the influence as a Class 4 felony and aggravated driving under the influence third in time, a Class 4 felony, disobeying the mandate of a court. That's usually violating a restraining type order. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $10,000. Good luck, sir. Sylvester, Mr. Wilson, come on up. And Rivera de la Cruz is after Mr. Wilson. Good evening, sir. Tell me your name, please.
Sylvester Wilson.
Mr. Wilson, you have 3 different matters here. The first one is possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, which is a Class 4 felony, as well as criminal trespassing, which is a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $5,000. The next one, sir, is driving on a suspended, revoked, or canceled license. That's out of the Country Meadows Justice Court. I cannot appoint you an attorney there. That's up to that judge. You're going to meet Miss Huberman, is the judge there, on the 30th day of July. Bond amount is $50. The next one, sir, is failure to appear at the Casa Grande Justice Court. That's in another county. I cannot appoint you an attorney there. That judge wants to see you on the 30th day of this month in Casa Grande, and bond is $745.
How's it criminal
Looks
trespass?
like it's fines and fees.
How's it criminal trespass when I was in the parking lot?
Sir, all I can tell you is this is what the charges are that you've got to resolve in front of the next judge. Good luck. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Rivera de la Cruz, Angel, come on up, Angel. And then Anthony Flores is after Angel. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Angel Rivera de la Cruz, 10/31/2002.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, this is driving under the influence as a Class 4 felony, as well as unlawful flight, a Class 5 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing for those 2 matters is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $5,000. The next one's a probation violation matter. I've appointed you the same attorney. Your probation revocation hearing is going to be on the first day of August, downtown Phoenix. And I have to make a change, young lady. I made an error. Hold on, sir. Let me just make this change real quick. I mistakenly did not give you a very small bond to get you credit for time served. Yes, sir, you had something to say?
Yeah, I made a mistake and stuff, but my dad died that day, and I don't really, drink and drive or drink at all like that. It's just
Well, sir, I'm gonna strike all
I
that.
just we had to bury my dad in 8 days. I just want to be there,
I understand, sir. I'm gonna strike all that from the record because I didn't Mirandize you and only talk about those things with your attorney. I'm sorry for your loss. Good luck, sir. Mr. Flores, Anthony. Yeah, I made a mistake on the probation. Just give them both of them. Tell me your full name, sir.
Anthony Orlando Flores.
Mr. Flores, this is unlawful flight, a Class 5 felony, knowingly displaying fictitious plates, a misdemeanor, reckless driving is a misdemeanor, carrying a weapon under the age of 21, which is a misdemeanor, and exceeding the speed limit by greater than 20 miles per hour, again, another misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $2,500. Good luck, sir. Matthew? Farrell? Matthew? Come on up. After Matthew is Tyler Evans. Take your time, sir. Tell me your full name, sir.
Matthew Ray Farrell.
Sir, this first matter is exceeding the speed limit by greater than 20 miles per hour. It's out of the Peoria court system. I'm not allowed to appoint you any attorneys on misdemeanors. That's up to the Peoria judge. Peoria judge wants to see you on the 29th day of this month, as well as ordered a $700 bond. The next one, sir, is driving under the influence as a Class 1 misdemeanor and failure to appear as promised at the Moon Valley Justice Court. I cannot appoint you an attorney. Those are both misdemeanors. The Moon Valley judge wants to see you on the 30th day of July, and the Moon Valley judge wants a $500 bond. The last one, sir, is criminal trespassing as a Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor, resisting arrest as a misdemeanor, and there are 2 counts of the disorderly conduct. I can appoint you, and I will appoint you an attorney on those. Your next hearing on those is the 31st day of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is $1,000. Good luck in front of your 3 different judges.
Thank you.
Good luck, sir. Mr. Evans? And Dominic is after Tyler. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Tyler James Evans.
Mr. Evans, this is a criminal damage case out of the Santan Justice Court. I'm not allowed to appoint you an attorney on a misdemeanor case. You're going to meet the Santan judge on the 30th day of this month. A Santan judge wants $680. That usually means fines and fees, but again, I don't have records that he has. So it's a $680 fine, a $680 bail. I wish you the best of luck in Santan. Good luck, sir.
Okay.
Dominic, Bali, and Clark is after Bali. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Dominic Anthony Baye.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is possession of a weapon that has been modified illegally. It's a Class 4 felony. Carrying a weapon and failure to admit it is a misdemeanor, and also having a weapon under the age of 21 is against the law, another misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th day of August, downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. I am releasing you because of your age. If you were over 21, I probably would have held you on bond. Give you a chance to fix this up. Good luck, sir. She's got your paperwork. Read it carefully. Mr. Clark, come on up, Mr. Clark. After Mr. Clark is Anthony Benuelos. Hope I pronounced that correctly, Anthony. Tell me your full name, sir.
Larry Andrew Clark.
Sir, this is possession of dangerous drugs, a Class 4 felony, and also drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing date is on the 11th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in 6 hours. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Anthony, come on up, Anthony. Tell me your full name, sir.
Anthony Benuelos? Anthony Mark Benuelos?
Thank you. Sir, this is disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor, criminal damage as a misdemeanor, 2 counts. I cannot appoint you an attorney on misdemeanors out of the Tullison court. The Tullison judge will have to do that. He probably won't, or he or she probably won't, but they have the authority. Your next hearing is going to be on the 11th of next month in Tullison. You're being released on your own recognizance. Do not return to the scene of the alleged crime. Do not make contact with the alleged victims. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
You're out of here. About 6 hours, 5-6 hours. Mr. Taylor, Philip. Philip Taylor?
Good morning, sir. How are you?
I'm doing well. I hope you are in the circumstances also. Rosa, you're up deck. Rosa, you're on deck. Why don't you stand or sit next to the chair? Sit on the chair. Tell me your full name, sir.
Philip Taylor.
Mr. Taylor, this is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 1st of this month, downtown Phoenix. 1st of next month, downtown Phoenix.
Okay.
You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours, sir. As soon as you step outside this building, contact your probation officer,
Yes, sir.
follow their rules, follow my rules. That'll give the next judge you meet on the 1st 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir. You have a good one.
You too, sir. Rosa. Come on up, Rosa. And Isabella's after Rosa. Good evening, miss. Tell me your full name.
Rosalinda Botello.
Miss, this is a criminal trespassing as a Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor, resisting arrest as a misdemeanor, and there's 2 counts of the disorderly conduct. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. Your next hearing date is on the 11th and again on the 13th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You get out of here in about 6 hours. Don't return to the scene of the alleged crime. No contact with the alleged victims. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck. Isabella. And then Mr. Dukes is after Isabella. Ms. Paulson?
Yes.
Tell me your full name, please.
Isabella Paulson.
Ms. Paulson, this is criminal damage, a Class 5 felony, criminal trespassing, a Class 6 felony, disorderly conduct, a misdemeanor, resisting arrest, a misdemeanor, criminal damage as a misdemeanor. The disorderly conduct is 2 counts. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. Your next hearing date is on the 11th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Don't go back to the scene of the alleged crime. Don't make any contact with the alleged victims. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Is these papers?
Mr. Dukes, come on up, Mr. Dukes. And Mr. Jones, I apologize, Mr. Jones, is after this gentleman. Tell me your full name, please, sir.
Jarcino Dukes.
Mr. Dukes, this is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is a probation violation hearing on the 1st day of August. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. As soon as you step outside the building, call your PO. Follow their rules, follow my rules. You're giving your next judge you meet on the 1st 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck, sir. Sean Jones, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, Sean.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, Mr. Jones. Tell me your full name. Your name.
Sean Jones.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, you've got 2 different matters. The first one is narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony. Drug parapet, strike that. Resisting arrest, a Class 6 felony. Obstruction of justice by not giving your name, which is a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th, this month, downtown Phoenix. You're going to be released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. The next one, sir, is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you that same attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing sooner. That's going to be on the first day of August, downtown Phoenix. Different location, just right around the corner. Here again, you're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours, sir. As soon as you step outside the building, contact your probation officer. Follow their rules, follow my rules. Good luck. Thank you. Jesus? Jesus? Allí, por favor. Would the interpreter please announce?
No, disculpe.
Interpreter, are you with the court?
Yes, I apologize. Good night. My name is Carlos, interpreter ID 48497, and I'm going to be the Spanish interpreter for this call. Do you mind if I introduce myself with the other parts?
Go right ahead, sir.
Buenas noches, seré su intérprete de español. Todo lo que usted diga será interpretado y se mantendrá confidencial. Quisiera pedirle si pudiera hablar en oraciones claras y cortas para que pueda interpretar más fácilmente todo lo que usted diga.
Está bien, gracias.
Proceed, sir.
Sir, if you are partially bilingual, please wait for the interpretation before you answer.
Entonces, señor, teniendo en cuenta que usted es parcialmente bilingüe, por favor, espere a la interpretación antes de que usted llegue a dar una respuesta.
Está bien.
It's okay.
Please tell me your name.
¿Cuál es su nombre?
Aldo de Jesús Mesa Nava.
Aldo de Jesús Mesa Nava.
Sir, your first charge is resisting arrest.
Entonces, su primer cargo es resistirse al arresto.
Your second charge is criminal damage.
Su segundo delito, estamos hablando de daño criminal.
The next two charges are driving under the influence.
Y los otros dos cargos son por manejar bajo la influencia de...
I have appointed you an attorney, sir.
Entonces ya le tengo agendado un abogado, señor.
Your next hearing is July 31st, downtown Phoenix.
Entonces su siguiente audiencia estaría para julio 31 en Downtown en Phoenix.
Your bond is $2,500. Good luck, sir.
Y tenga en cuenta que su fianza, estamos hablando de $2,000 con $2,500. Que tenga buena suerte, señor.
Disculpe, ¿esos los tendría que pagar hoy mismo?
I apologize. I will be needed to pay for those for that amount today itself?
If you wish to be released today, yes.
Si usted desea ser liberado el día de hoy, sí.
Bueno, sí los podría pagar, pero necesitaría mi teléfono para hablarle a un familiar.
I mean, I will be able to pay those ones, but I will be needing my phone for being able to talk with a relative.
We have phones available in the cells and out in the waiting room. Good luck, sir.
Nosotros tenemos números de teléfono disponibles tanto en las celdas como en la sala de espera. Buena suerte, señor.
No me sé el número. Tendría que verlo en mi teléfono, por favor.
I don't know the number. I will be needing to see it on my phone, please.
Your phone is in custody of the sheriff's office. You'd have to deal with them. Good luck, sir.
Su teléfono está bajo la custodia de la oficina del sheriff. Ya tendrá que eso manejarlo con ellos. Buena suerte, señor.
Entonces, ¿no seré liberado hasta que pague?
Then I will not be released until I pay.
That is correct, sir.
Es correcto, señor.
Y para comunicarme entonces con alguien, si no me sé el número.
But then, how will I be able to get in communication with someone if I do not know the number?
You will go to your hearing on the 31st, meet your attorney, and have that discussion. Good luck, sir.
Estamos hablando de que usted iría a su audiencia hasta el 31 y de ahí encontrarse con su abogado para que usted pueda tener esa discusión. Buena suerte, señor.
El 31 de julio, entonces me la pasaría aquí encerrado.
Until July 31st, so I will be here locked up.
That is most likely true.
Sí. Sí, señor.
Sir, please go with the officer. Mr. Interpreter, I want to thank... Mr. Interpreter, I want to thank you for your services. We could not have done it without you. You did a fantastic job. Thank you.
Thank you for those kind words, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you, and at the same time, thank you for using our services. My name is Carlos, Interpreter ID 48497. Have a good night, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you. And we have two house calls. Thank you.
Señor, se despide su intérprete español. Que tenga una buena noche. Hasta luego. Sorry, sir.
That's all right. Thank you. We have two house
Please
calls.
rate the quality of service for this call by pressing 5 for very good, 4 for good, 3 for okay, 2 for poor, and 1 for very poor.
I thought you did a real good job. So, not that that matters. I'm not sure we're supposed to rate them.
I don't think they like allow me to on the over.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Number 15 is a behavioral issue. Brandon Size. I hope I'm correct. 3 different counts of driving under the influence, all misdemeanors. I cannot appoint him an attorney on those. His next hearing is in front of the Casa Grande judge, which is another county. Casa Grande wants a $200 cash bond. Pete Ramirez has 2 different matters. First one's 2 counts of criminal damage. I appointed him an attorney. His next hearing is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond was set by another judge at $2,500. And Pete Ramirez's other one is driving under the influence out of Tolleson. Again, I cannot appoint him an attorney in Tolleson. Tolleson judge wants a $1,000 bond. He's going to meet the Tolleson judge on the 11th day of August in Tolleson. Did I miss anything, boss lady? All right. You got some people to move around before you walk me around a little bit.
walk in. All right.
Thank you, officer. Good evening, thank you, everyone. Please have a seat. This is the 8 p.m. calendar for the 26th day of the month. On the first day of July, orders are read onto the record that affect all of you regarding DNA and fingerprinting. In just a moment, I'm going to call you up to the podium one at a time. When you get to the podium, I need your name. I'll tell you the charges you're here on. I'll appoint most of you an attorney. I'll set your next hearing date, give you location. I'll set your general release conditions. All of you will have general release conditions. They are as follows. Do not make contact with the arresting officers. Do not possess any drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license. Keep us informed as to where you are living. If you're on probation, you'll be ordered to contact your probation officer. If the charges you're being seen on here tonight indicate there may be a victim, you will be ordered to stay away from the alleged victim and also not return to the scene of the alleged crime. One of these three fine officers will hand it all to you in writing at the end of your hearing. At your earliest convenience, take a moment and read it over again. Thank you for listening. And the record will reflect I've read the victim's impact statement on number 8. Salvador Vega, Mr. Ramirez Vegas first. Come on up, sir. And after him is Juan Vendano. Juan, why don't you sit in the chair right next to the door there, be on deck, so to speak. Good evening, sir. Tell me your name.
My name is Salvador Ramirez Vega.
Thank you, sir. Sir, this is a dangerous drug case, a Class 4 felony, a prohibited weapon by manufacturer, a Class 4 felony, also criminal trespassing as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st day of July, downtown Phoenix. Because this allegedly happened while you were on felony release on another matter, wait, me first. You were on felony release on another matter, therefore you by law have to be held non-bondable until the next hearing on the 31st. Now, you have something to say, sir?
Yeah, I know I'm on probation right now. I'm about to start the program this month. I've been looking up the program. I'll start a program. I've been checking them out. I'm trying to go. I want to go with my girlfriend.
Well, sir, here's the situation. Call your probation officer. If the probation officer can verify you're in a program in writing, the probation officer can send a motion to the next judge and they can release you early. Good luck, sir.
But I haven't started yet.
Good luck. Juan, come on up. And Mr. Romero is after Juan. Liton Romero. Tell me your full name, sir.
Juan Osencio Avendaño.
Sir, this is a kidnapping case, a Class 4 felony, also aggravated assault, a Class 4 felony, resisting arrest, which is a misdemeanor, prevention or interference with emergency telephone communication, a misdemeanor, criminal damage as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $50,000. The next matter is a probation violation matter. Same attorney, sir. Different hearing date, the first day of August. Slightly different courtroom, just around the block. Bond is $50. Reach out to your probation officer. They may have some ideas that might be helpful for you.
Okay.
Good luck.
Can I ask you a question?
I may not have an answer, but go right ahead.
Okay, so what I'm getting charged with is it? Okay, so I tried out talking to the police, right? And they said that the person that I was with, they pressed no charge on me. So I don't know.
Sir, victims don't press charges. Victims are simply victims.
Yeah.
Charges are pressed by county attorneys and start off by police charging.
Okay.
Good luck, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Romero, come on up, Mr. Romero. And Mr. Wilholt is after Mr. Romero. Tell me your full name, Mr. Romero.
Leighton Jason Romero.
Sir, this is 2 counts of aggravated driving under the influence. Those are both Class 4 felonies. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the first day of August. Bond is set at $25,000. With all DUIs, there is motor vehicle registration and licensing issues. So before you ever hop back into a car, make sure you have a valid license.
Understood, Your Honor.
Good luck, sir.
All right, thank you.
Jacob, Mr. Wilholt, hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, sir. And then Ms. Jefferson's after this gentleman. Tell me your full name, sir.
Jacob Edwards Wilhoit, not Andrews.
Thank you, sir. You might want to talk to the next judge with your attorney and the county attorney. And if you've got something with the correct name on it, through some type of, well, birth certificate would be nice, driver's license would be nice, passport would be nice. They may end up changing all that for you, but I don't have the ability here.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm here is because I spelled my name incorrectly while I was incarcerated in Yavapai.
Well, sir, I am sorry to hear that. We might be able to fix that. This is a criminal trespassing, which is a Class 6 felony. Disobeying a mandate of a court, that's usually violation of some type of restraining order. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is August 1st, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $2,500. The next matter, sir, is a criminal trespassing as a Class 6 felony warrant for your arrest. The judge who issued this warrant, let me back up. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is the same date, the first day of August. The judge who issued the warrant wants a $10,000 bond. I included electronic monitoring. Good luck, sir.
Your Honor, I've already paid the bonds for those, and I already have a court-appointed attorney, so you might not want to appoint two.
Well, fantastic, sir. Then if they can verify if everything's been paid, because I just set these, so I don't know if you could have just paid them. But if they can verify it, you'll be processed out. Good luck.
So I paid those 2 years ago, but I've been in Yavapai, so those are the same charges.
Sir, these are new warrants that I saw.
Okay.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Miss Jefferson, I apologize. Miss Jefferson, come on up. After Miss Jefferson is Sean. Yvonne, come on up. And Sean, why don't you hop in the chair next to the door? Good evening, miss. Tell me your full name.
Ivani Marie Jefferson.
Miss Jefferson, this is 1 count of aggravated assault, a Class 2 felony, and 1 count of organized retail theft, a Class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $7,500. Good luck, miss.
Thank you.
Sean, come on up, Sean. And then Omar is after Sean. Mr. Garcia, why don't you hop in the chair next to the door? Tell me your full name.
Sean Lane Yesla.
Sir, this is a failure to appear bench warrant. It's an endangerment charge, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing date is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. The judge who issued this warrant wants a $5,000 bond. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Garcia, Omar, why don't you come on up, sir? And then Joe Tosi is after Mr. Garcia. Good evening, sir. Tell me your name.
Omar Garcia.
Mr. Garcia, this is a conspiracy. This is a bench warrant for failure to appear. This is a conspiracy charge, a Class 2 felony, money laundering, a Class 3 felony, illegal control of enterprise, a Class 3 felony, and drug paraphernalia violation, a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing date is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $5,000. Good luck, sir. Joe Tosi, come on up, Joe. And then Omar Davalos is after Joe.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Tell me your name.
Joe Sosi.
Mr. Sosi, this is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing date is on the first day of August, downtown Phoenix. A bond was set by the probation judge at $5,000. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some ideas that are helpful. Good luck, sir.
All right.
Mr. Davalos, Omar, come on up. And then Mr. Cruz is after Mr. Davalos. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Good evening. My name is Omar Davalos.
Thank you. This is a probation violation warrant for your arrest out of the city of Goodyear. It's a Class 1 misdemeanor. I'm not allowed to appoint attorneys on misdemeanors. That's up to the Goodyear judge. He may or may not. That's up to him or her. I can't remember which it is. Your next hearing in Goodyear is on the 30th of this month in downtown Goodyear. And the Goodyear judge wants a $2,500 bond. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Cruz, and then Ms. Bizzardi. Hope I'm close, Ms. Bizzardi. Tell me your full name, sir.
Alonzo Rene Cruz.
Mr. Cruz, this is a criminal damage case. It's a Class 5 felony. There are 4 counts of it. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. Bond is set at $2,500. Good luck, sir.
Okay. Do I get released today, or?
You have to put up the bond of $2,500. Good luck.
Okay.
Ms. Bizzardi, come on up. And then Joshua is after this lady. Tell me your full name, Miss.
Geraldine Bizzardi.
Miss, you have 2 different matters. The first one is assault on an officer, which is a Class 5 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. You're on probation for that matter. Your probation revocation will be on the first day of this next month. Bond is set at $1,000 by the probation judge. The next one, Miss, is a dangerous drug charge, a Class 4 felony. Same attorney. You're on probation for that also. Same hearing date, the first, same location, downtown Phoenix, and I set bond in the amount of $50 on that. Miss, please reach out to your probation officer. They may have some ideas that might be helpful to you. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck. Joshua? Joshua? Josh? There he comes. Come on up, sir. Tell me your full name.
Joshua Cottrell.
Sir, this is a narcotic drug charge, a Class 4 felony, drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, and carrying a weapon and failure to admit it. That's a Class 1 misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing date is on the 31st of this month, downtown Phoenix. I set bond in the amount of $50. The next one, sir, is a shoplifting. It is a Class 6 felony. Another shoplifting as a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney on that matter, too. Same hearing date, the 31st, same location, downtown Phoenix. The judge who issued this warrant wants a $500 bond. Also, if you do bond out, do not return to the scene of the alleged crime or make contact with the alleged victim. Good luck, sir. Mr. Varela? Mr. Varela, come on up. After Mr. Varela is Mr. Moody. Tell me your full name, sir.
Alberto Varela.
Mr. Varela, these are narcotic drug cases. This is a narcotic drug case, a Class 4 felony. Possession of a weapon in a drug offense, a Class 4 felony. Drug paraphernalia, a Class 6 felony. Carrying a weapon and failure to admit it, that's a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th of August, downtown Phoenix. You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. That officer to your immediate left is going to hand you a whole bunch of paperwork. Read it carefully. Those are the rules you have to follow to stay out of trouble between now and the 11th. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Ross, where are you, Ross? Mr. Moody? And Mr. Lambert's after Mr. Moody. Good evening, sir. Tell me your name.
Ross Moody.
Mr. Moody, this is a dangerous drug case, a Class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is on the 11th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Miss Lambert? Miss Lambert, come on up. And if I said Mr. Lambert, I apologize.
Good evening, Your Honor.
Good evening, Miss Lambert. Tell me your full name, please.
Camille Louise Lambert.
Miss Lambert, this is taking the identity of another, a Class 4 felony, also false reporting to police, a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. Your next hearing is on the 11th, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. Do not make contact with the alleged victim. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck. Priscilla, come on up, Priscilla. Dominic Gomez is after Priscilla. Good evening, miss. Tell me your full name.
My name is Priscilla S.T. Petit.
Miss, this is a probation violation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney. Your probation revocation hearing is going to be on the 1st. I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. As soon as you step outside this building, contact your probation officer. I know it's Saturday, they can't make the phone call anyway. If you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet on the 1st. 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck.
Thank you.
Dominic? Mr. Gomez? De La Cruz, Alfred is after Gomez. Tell me your full name.
Dominic Gomez.
Mr. Gomez, this is a warrant for your arrest regarding probation violation allegations. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 1st of this month, strike that, of next month. Downtown Phoenix, you're being released on your own recognizance. As soon as you walk out of this building in about 5 hours, contact your probation officer, follow their rules and my rules. You're given the next judge you meet on the 1st. 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 1st. Good luck.
Thank you.
Alfred De La Cruz, come on up, sir. And then Mary Salas is after Alfred. Tell me your full name, please.
Alfred De La Cruz.
Mr. De La Cruz, this is aggravated driving under the influence, a Class 4 felony. Also, 2 counts, they'll make that 3 counts, misdemeanor driving under the influence, and also driving on a suspended, revoked, or canceled license, another misdemeanor. I have appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is on the 11th at downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. With DUIs always comes license problems. Make sure before you hop behind the wheel, you have a valid license or you just start this all over. So good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Mary, come on up, Miss Mary.
I'm coming, sir.
Take your time.
Hello.
Hello. When you get there, tell me your full name.
Mary Sandra Salas.
Miss Salas, this is assault as a misdemeanor, disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor. I cannot appoint you an attorney on misdemeanors. That's up to the surprise judge, Lou Dominguez. He's a wonderful guy. You'll probably like him, even under these circumstances. You're going to meet Judge Dominguez on the 19th of next month. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in 6 hours. Do not go back to the scene of the alleged crime and do not make contact with the alleged victims or you get to come back and visit me.
I won't.
Good luck, miss.
I hadn't been getting in trouble, and that's the reason, because I didn't want to be here.
Good luck, miss.
Okay, thank you. You have a good...
You too. Aaron, come on up, Aaron. And then Mr. Smith, Brian, why don't you hop in the chair next to the door, Brian?
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, and I hope you are too, under the circumstances.
Guess I'm all right. It was the way it was.
Well, I can try to help that out a little bit in a moment. Tell me your full name, sir.
Aaron Jamal Peerforth?
Sir, this is a simple assault charge. I cannot appoint you an attorney. That's going to be up to the Goodyear judge. You're going to meet the Goodyear judge on the 13th of next month. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in 6 hours. Don't go back to the scene of the alleged crime, and don't talk to go around the alleged victim, and you won't have to see me again.
Amen.
Good luck, sir.
Thank you, sir. You have a blessed life.
You too, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Smith, Brian. Come on up, Brian. Tell me your full name, Mr. Smith.
Brian J. Smith.
Mr. Smith, the officers probably handed you a great big piece of paper that was laminated. Did you get a chance to read that?
Yes, sir. I don't quite understand it, but I did.
Let me explain it to you in a little bit of abbreviated terms. Another state, Georgia, wants you. We found you. There's no charges here. That triggers what's called extradition. Extradition is a civil process whereby one governor talks to the other governor, signs a whole bunch of paperwork, and you go back to Georgia. That can take up to 90 days. During that 90-day period of time, you're entitled to a bond. And you probably have one in the range of $25,000 to $50,000 cash. I cannot appoint you an attorney in a civil matter, but you can hire your own. You can also waive extradition. That means get back to Georgia as soon as possible. If you waive extradition, one of those fine ladies or their associates will send off information to Georgia immediately, and Georgia's always been pretty good about getting people within a week to 10 days. However, they have a full month. If they don't show up within a month, we kick you loose. That doesn't solve the Georgia problem, but at least you're not our problem. Do you want to waive or do you want a bond? What do you want to do?
So if I get a bond, how much would that bond be?
That bond is going to be $50,000.
Full, no 10%?
No, it's going to be cash.
Cash bond, no 10%.
Pardon me?
And if I waive it?
Waive, you're not bondable. You stay in custody until Georgia comes get you.
Or 30 days.
Whichever comes first.
Well, that's a tough one, Judge.
Well, then let me do this. If it's tough, I don't want to force you into a decision. I'm going to enter a denial on your behalf right now. I'm going to put you as bailable, and you can talk to the next judge. She is a wonderful associate of mine. I've known her for, well, she probably will get mad if I tell you I've known her for over 30 years. Barb Spencer. Real nice lady. She might do a better job of explaining it, or you might have had time to think about it. I wish you the best of luck, whichever way it turns out, sir.
Yes, sir. It's just difficult for me. I got 5 kids at home and a wife depending on me to...
I understand, sir. I understand. I'm sorry. Sorry Georgia reached out.
And just so you understand, I didn't run from this thing. I had a sick grandmother out here, and I had to get here as soon as possible. I'm not running from this.
Good luck either way, sir.
Yes,
okay?
Sir.
Good luck either way. Fernando? Allí, por favor. Un momento, señor. ¿Se habla inglés?
No.
Okay. Un momento. Do I have the interpreter with me?
This is the interpreter speaking. Yes, here I am.
Thank you, sir. We're going to start the hearing now. Sir, if you are partially bilingual, please wait for the interpretation before you answer.
Muy bien. Vamos a comenzar la audiencia ahora mismo, señor. Si usted es parcialmente bilingüe, por favor, espere la interpretación antes de responder.
Please tell me your name, sir.
Mi nombre es Fernando.
Por favor, dígame su nombre, señor.
Mi nombre es Fernando.
My name is Hernando.
What is your surname also?
¿Cuál es su apellido, por favor, también?
Alvarado Corsa.
Alvarado Jorge.
Corsa.
Sir, you have one charge of dangerous drugs.
Muy bien. ¿Usted tiene un cargo por drogas peligrosas?
You have one charge of drug paraphernalia.
¿Usted tiene un cargo por parafernalia de drogas?
one charge of narcotic drugs.
y un cargo de estupefacientes.
I have appointed you an attorney.
Le hemos designado un abogado.
Your next hearing is on the 11th of August, downtown Phoenix.
Su próxima audiencia será el 11 de agosto en el centro de Phoenix.
You are being released tonight. You'll be out in 6 hours. Good luck.
Usted ha sido liberado esta noche, saldrá en 6 horas. Muy buena suerte.
Muchas gracias.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Mr. Interpreter, hold on. It's going to take us just a couple seconds to rearrange the courtroom so we can start the next Spanish. Ladies,
Okay,
can
I
we
am
move
ready.
these two
I will.
out? Thank you. They're out, officer. Mr. Interpreter, we're going to start again. Sir, please tell me your name.
No. Señor, por favor, dígame su nombre.
Víctor Hugo Peña Morales.
Víctor Hugo Pena Morales.
Sí.
Sir, these are very serious charges.
Entonces, estos son cargos muy graves.
Please do not discuss these charges with anyone in this facility.
Por favor, no discuta de estos cargos con nadie en estas instalaciones.
Please don't show anyone the paperwork either.
Tampoco, por favor, le muestre este papeleo a nadie.
This is for your safety and the safety of other people here. Please.
Esto es para su seguridad y la seguridad de las demás personas aquí, por favor.
You're charged with aggravated luring of a minor for sexual exploitation.
Se le acusa de seducción agravada a un menor con fines de explotación sexual.
I have appointed you an attorney.
Se le ha designado un abogado.
Your next hearing is the 31st day of July, downtown Phoenix.
Su próxima audiencia es el día 31 de julio en el centro de Phoenix.
Good luck, sir.
¿Puedo aclarar algo?
Muy buena suerte, señor. Can I make clear of something?
Sir, I forgot to tell you the bond is $100,000. I apologize.
Ok, señor, olvidé decirle que la fianza es de $100,000. Mil disculpas.
Good luck, señor.
Muy buena suerte, señor.
Thank you very much, Mr. Interpreter. We could not have done the last two hearings without you. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
This is the interpreter. Thank you for calling Lion Bridge for your language needs. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Mr. You know what the X panel does, but it's got a nice name. I don't know what it does.
It's what we use to call in the calls.
So it's a fancy something. I don't know.
Okay, now we are.
Okay, thank you. The court was informed it forgot to read the House calls onto the record. Number 18 was a behavioral issue, Mr. Roosevelt Robinson. He's charged with a probation violation, Class 6 felony. I've appointed him an attorney. His next hearing is going to be on the 1st, downtown Phoenix. He's being released on his own recognizance with orders to contact adult probation as soon as he walks out this building. Mr. Ochoa is number 15 and 16, behavioral issues also. Unlawful flight from law enforcement, Class 5 felony. Reckless driving, Class 2 misdemeanor. I've appointed him an attorney. A bond is set at $500. The next matter is a limited jurisdiction matter. Out of the, strike that. It's a probation violation matter also. Let me get back. There we go. Yes, it's a limited jurisdiction issue out of the University Lakes Justice Court, exceeding the posted speed by greater than 20 miles per hour. I cannot appoint him an attorney. The bond amount is $256. He needs to see the next judge on the 30th. I also explained to him that looks like failure to pay fines and fees, but I don't have all the information. Am I done now? All right.
All right. Juanita, you
Thank you. Please be seated.
make sure you guys stay awake.
This is the 11 p.m. calendar on July 26, 2025. Orders are given on the 1st of the month regarding the taking of DNA and fingerprints. Those orders remain in effect today. What that means for you in the courtroom is this: not every single one of you has to give your DNA or your fingerprints. If you have to do that, those orders are going to be on your paperwork. My name is Commissioner Beck. I'm here to do a few things for you. Number one, I'm here to let you know why you're here. Number two, if you might be released. Number three, if you're going to be assigned an attorney. The vast majority of you will be assigned an attorney, which leads to my number one rule. Please don't talk about the facts of your case. Anything you say or do can be used against you. Everything in the courtroom is video recorded, so please don't talk about the facts of your case unless it's with your attorney. Second, I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions for me. Unfortunately, I'm not your legal counsel, so I can't answer legal questions for you. So please save your legal questions for your attorney. Finally, you're going to be hearing about lots of different dates, different types of release conditions. You don't have to memorize all that stuff. All that information is going to be on your paperwork. That's why it's important to keep your paperwork and save it. Don't lose it. If you end up missing a court date or if you don't follow a written court order, you could just end up back here. Here's how tonight's going to work. I'm going to call two names. First name I call is going to come in the courtroom and stand in front of me at the podium. Second name I call is going to sit on that chair next to the door. And then we're going to keep on cycling through until the calendar's finished. Could I please get Kelsey Pitney to the podium?
What up?
Nicholas Hernandez to the chair, please.
Welcome back to a brand new episode of You Have a Collect Call From. Let me see right here. Let me see. What up, Maui? What up, Danny?
Name and date of birth, please.
What up, Hector?
Kelsey Joy Pitney, July 7th, 1992.
Thank you. You are here today on two failure to appear warrants. I'm not assigning you a new attorney. You're going to go back to your original attorney. Your next court date is going to be August 1st in the downtown Superior Court. I'm setting secured appearance bonds of $1,000 on your first case, $3,000 on your second, so total $4,000 secured appearance bond.
Damn.
If you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. The most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Please step to your left for your paperwork, ma'am. Nicholas Hernandez to the podium. Christopher Johnson to the chair, please.
Christopher Johnson, come on down. Hey, James, how are you doing today? What up, Jared? How's it going? I'm doing pretty good. I'm not in jail, so it's any day I'm not in jail, it's a good day for me. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, the feeling is mutual. Unless you're in jail watching this, then shit. I mean, shit. I don't know what to tell you. What up, No Face? How's it going? What up, Spicy?
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Nicholas Hernandez, 12/16/1969.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on 3 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is August 1st in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. On the first one, it's $2,000. On the second one, it's $750, and the third one is $500. That's a total $3,250 secured. Sir, if you're able to bond out, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Well, please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
Next.
Christopher Johnson to the podium. Jeremiah Moore to the chair, please.
He might have a hard time. Hey, what up,
Well,
High
please step to
Queen?
your left for your paperwork, sir.
Oh, you're watching the video I uploaded?
Christopher
more
Johnson
coming
to the
today.
podium. Jeremiah Moore to the chair, please.
Jeremiah Moore, come on, dang. To the price is wrong. What up, Sydney? What up, Barbie? What did he do? City Life Alert. Damn, look at this. About to
Hi,
walk in
name and
all
date of birth,
smooth.
please.
7/24/62.
Name, please.
Christopher Johnson.
Thank you. Sir, you're here today on 2 probation violation warrants. I'm assigning you an
Thank you, High
attorney.
Queen.
Your next court date is August 1st in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. On the first one, it's $500. Second one is $500. Total, $1,000 secured appearance bond.
Mickey, yes, it is.
If
It's
you're able to
Arizona.
bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days.
Kimberly, gracias.
Why don't you please step to your left for your
Thank
paperwork,
you.
sir. Thank you. Jeremiah Moore to the podium.
Damn, this was a walking
Jerome
stick.
Hansen to the chair, please.
I know they're gonna take that away that from him. You can have access to that. It's a
Name and date of
weapon.
birth, please.
Jeremiah Moore, April 16, 2003.
What up,
Thank you.
Jeanette?
You're here today on a municipal court warrant. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date's going to be July 30th. That's at the Buckeye City Court. I'm affirming the bond set by the judge out there. It's a $500 secured appearance bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any
Don't
victim
say
or
that.
witness.
My
And you're
wife
not
might
to
be
possess
on
any
here.
weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
I don't need that type of heat,
Can I
Gary.
ask a question?
Sure.
So how does the bond, like, if I,
What up, Laura?
'cause I don't have no money, how would I be able to post the bond?
Thank you,
Sure.
Jennifer.
I start my new job, yeah, I work
You're
at
laggy.
Walmart, so.
Yeah, so there, you have a couple options. If you know someone outside, they can pay the bond for you, and then you pay them back after you get out. Or the other option is there's a list of bond companies back in the facility. You have a $500 secured appearance bond. It's not a full $500 cash.
Okay.
So you can try calling one of those bond companies, see if they're willing to work with you, and then see what they can do to work out a plan to get you
Maricopa.
out. But unless you can pay some of that, you're going to remain in custody until July 30th.
July 30th?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
So I filled out a form.
Jerome
and,
Hansen to the podium.
I requested
Timothy Martin
access
to the
from the
chair,
court.
please.
I live in Maricopa. Damn, I feel bad, Carrie. Jesus, oh, it's all bad in Maricopa. Proceed
Name
with
and date of birth,
caution.
please.
Jerome Payton Hanson, July 4th,
Holy
1992.
Thank you. You're here today on a probation violation warrant. I'm
Yeah,
assigning
they
you an
do.
attorney. Your next court date's August 1st in the downtown Superior Court. I'm affirming the bond set by your probation violation judge. It's a $250 secured appearance
Yeah.
bond. If you're able to bond out, you're not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Most important thing, if you bond out, you have to contact your PO within 3 days. Why don't you please step to your left for your paperwork, sir.
This is live. Yes, it is.
Timothy Martin to the podium.
This is the last court of the night. This is the
Juanita
11 p.m.
Bankston to
court.
the chair, please.
I'm live. They're live. We're all live. Even the people watching are live. Or prefer.
Name and date of birth, please.
Timothy Martin, 1/12/1980.
Thank you. You're here today on a municipal court new
What
case.
up, country?
You've been arrested for disobeying an order of the court, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court date is going to be July 30th. That's at the Buckeye City Court. Setting a secured appearance bond of $250. If you're able to post that bond, you are not to return to the scene of the crime. No contact with any victim or witness. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. You must obey the terms of any orders of protection. And you may not reside with the alleged victim, even if the owner or renter of the property. You're allowed one civil standby with local law enforcement to return to collect any essential belongings. And you're cautioned that a violation of a no victim contact order can lead to a Class 6 felony.
So, quick question. That's my home. I've been back there for 3 months.
Nobody cares.
Some outside influences got people coming, not the person that the order of protection's on.
Thank you, Mickey.
So it's just kind of a weird predicament. She's releasing the order of protection. I understand why she did it, but she feels that I'm in a space now that I'm 120 days sober and...
Sir, I understand. The order of protection is still in place at this time.
I was just wondering if I could get OR'd on this, because she's going to come down and get the order of protection pulled up.
Sir, I have no idea what this person is going to do. So what I'm not going to OR you. And at this point, until another judge changes these orders,
Sydney, just go here.
I'm going to keep them in place for now because sir, I have no idea.
Sure, you don't know me from Adam. I get
The
it.
forms are available right there.
I have no idea what's going to happen too. So 250 secured. So it's not even it's not even 250 cash. So if you need to call a bond company, there's a list of bond companies back in the facility.
Now, if I have the cash with me, see, that's a problem.
So sir, you can't access your own property, and so you're going to have someone on the outside pay it for you, and then you have to pay them back.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you,
sir. Ronita Bankston to the podium. Jonathan Samaniego to the chair, please.
That is correct, Sydney. Yes, that is the YT account. I stream these all day, every day.
Hi, name and date of birth, please.
Juanita Bankston, 122576.
Thank you. You're here today on the Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, criminal trespass, a Class 3 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are August 11th and August 13th in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're going to be placed on supervised release. You're not to return to the scene of the crime. And you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol.
That might be worth.
Do you understand all these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Is that Dipset?
Do you promise to appear on August 11th and August 13th at the downtown Superior Court?
20.
Yes.
Do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yeah.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services. Ma'am, it's your responsibility to call them during normal business hours starting on Monday.
I know who it is.
If you don't call them, you'll end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
All right, ma'am. Please step to your left for your paperwork. Jonathan Samaniego to the podium. Brett Williams to the chair, please.
Dang, I'm about to go gangster
Name and date of
paradise
birth,
up in
please.
here.
Jonathan Samaniego, August 9th, 1989.
Thank you. You're here today on the Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, a Class 4 felony. I found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are August 11th and August 13th in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some
make a video for that tomorrow.
You're going to be placed on supervised release. You're going to be drug tested and monitored. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all of these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to appear on August 11th and August 13th in the downtown Superior Court?
Yes.
Do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you to the supervision of pretrial services.
They do both, Mr.
Sir, it's your responsibility to call them starting on Monday during normal business hours. If you fail to call them, you'll end up back here. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Up next.
Brett Williams to the podium.
Is definitely wrong
William
tonight.
Porcoro to the chair, please.
Gotcha, YT. Hey, for sure.
Name and date of birth, please.
Is that Carrot Top?
Brett Williams, 9697, Your Honor.
Thank you. You're here today on a justice court warrant. I'm not assigning you an attorney because for the types of charges that you're facing, you don't get a free attorney, but you can hire your own attorney if you want one. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Your next court date is going to be August 12th. That's at the University Lakes Justice Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. You're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand all of these conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you promise to follow all these conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you promise to appear on August 12th at the University Lakes Justice Court?
Yes.
And do you understand if you don't show up, another warrant will issue for your arrest?
What up, Kelsey?
Do you also understand that this is probably your second chance of getting let out of custody for free without having a bond set?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own recognizance. Please step to your left for your paperwork.
Thank you.
I saw him twice. I saw him one day.
William
What up,
Porcoro
Cha-Cha?
to the chair, please.
I saw him at the Luxor. We got some free tickets once, and we went to
sleeping
see it.
in the back.
That fool's face is horrible. He definitely didn't age good. I mean, not that I'm aging any better, but his face is bad. Real bad, if you will. Hey, Naomi, thank you for that daily art. Highly appreciate that. He's so funny, writes Nicole. Hey, what's up, Nicole?
Name and date of birth, please.
William Pecoro, June 20th, 1980.
Thank you. You're here today on a Superior Court new case. You've been arrested for possession of narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony.
Oh, no.
Possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. Possession of prescription drugs, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning you an attorney. Your next court dates are August 11th and August 13th in the downtown Superior Court. Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you today. There's some conditions to your release. Sir, you're not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. Do you understand these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to follow these conditions?
Yes.
Do you promise to appear on August 11th and August 13th in the downtown Superior Court?
Yes.
Do you understand if you don't show up, a warrant will issue for your arrest?
Yes.
Upon your promise to appear, I'll be releasing you on your own recognizance. Want to please step to your left for your paperwork,
Hey, man,
sir?
I wouldn't want to wish that on anybody. Having
For
an
the last
addiction problem.
individual, I'll be visiting him back at his cell. He
Damn,
poses
that
a
fool
risk
can't even
of,
walk.
risk of harm to himself or to others. Derek Bird, date of birth 9/29/1968, is here on a Superior Court new case and a probation violation warrant. As to his new case, he's been arrested for 1 count of criminal damage, Class 5 felony, 2 counts of assault, Class 1
What up,
misdemeanor,
Nicole?
2 counts of indecent exposure, Class 1 misdemeanor,
Indecent
disorderly
exposure.
conduct, Class 1 misdemeanor. I have found probable cause. I'm assigning counsel. Next court dates are July 31st and August 4th in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $25,000. If he's able to post bond, pretrial services supervision,
Right.
not to return to the scene of the crime, no contact with any victim or witness, not to possess any weapons, drugs, or alcohol. He also has a probation violation warrant. I'm assigning counsel. Next court date's August 1st in the downtown Superior Court, setting a secured appearance bond of $250.
What up,
Same
Brent?
conditions of release. If he's able to post bond, he must contact his PO within 3 days. After visiting with him back at his cell, if I have to make any changes to these release conditions, I'll come back on the record to make those changes.
Damn, only 13
This
minutes.
concludes the 11 p.m. calendar.
Did he say 11? Man, so for those of you that are here new, Arizona has court many times a day. I think it's like 7 times a day. The first court is at 5 a.m. Following would be the 8 a.m., 11 a.m., 2 p.m., 5 p.m., 8 p.m., and this one would be the last one, 11 p.m. These are live. They have them every single day of the week. They have them 7 days a week, Monday through Monday, if you will. They don't take any breaks. You know why? Because crime doesn't take any breaks. Crime happens all day, every day, 24/7. When you're out there criming and whatnot, you don't care if it's a holiday. You don't care if it's the weekend. You don't care if it's your mom's birthday. You're going to do what you're going to do, regardless of what day of the week it is. So, hey, the court system in Arizona never stops. And you guessed it, because crime doesn't stop. Anyhow, hey, if you're wondering where I got this shirt, yeah, I got it in the TikTok shop. I bought a few things. I finally couldn't help the urge. I was getting all these ads of where it is, get that, and I was like, man, hey, this definitely looks fresh and whatnot. Has little happy faces somewhere around here. My wife was looking at me like I was crazy. She was like, man, you're going to buy that? And she was like, aren't you a little bit old? I was like, you're never too old. The only time is you're too old is when you're 6 feet deep. Then it's too late, because you can't wear these nice, duds and whatnot. So, I bought it. It showed up. I was like, damn, I'm gonna be styling and profiling on my vacation coming up soon. Anyhow, hey, I'm gonna have a little bit more time tomorrow to be able to dedicate throughout the day. We're gonna start off early. I'm gonna try to wake up early. Just lately I just haven't been able to wake up early for the 8 a.m. I normally like jumping on the 8 a.m., but man, my body's been tired. I don't know. It's like once I hit 42, it's like I don't know what happened. Or not 42. Am I 40? I'm not even 42. I'm 44. Jesus, I'm even losing my mind over here. I'm knocking up 2 years off of myself. How dare I? Sounds like something my wife might do. Hopefully she don't hear me, because if she did, she might be coming in here. Speaking of my wife, today we went ahead and celebrated her birthday at her parents' house. We had a birthday bash, if you will. Man, the best. You know what I love about birthdays is the cakes. When they get like a real cake with strawberries, sign me up. I'm there. I'm going to that party. Now, if you have a fruit cake or or like some little crummy cake, don't invite me. But if you have real fruit cakes, shoot it. All right, if that makes any sense. Hey, thank you, country girl. Happy birthday to my wife. Happy birthday. I'm 47. Let me see. Update on parole. Hey, Florida girl, I've been lagging it because I've been busy, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take care of that thing first thing tomorrow. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video. I know if you guys have been asking me, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that and knock it out. Let me see. I'm gonna eat the whole cake. Happy birthday to your wife. Hey, thank you, Florida girl. Highly appreciate that. Anyhow, hey, if you guys could do me a favor, I recently I uploaded like 2 or 3 videos today on my main on the main account, the one that has 21,000 followers. If you guys could go ahead and check out the video and drop some comments. I clipped the video from Adan Sanchez, which is the dude that was with some girl that probably has a chemical imbalance, or that's what people are saying. I don't know. I mean, I previous to me seeing this clip, I never knew anything about her. Check it out. And then we also have a clip from who was it? That dude that goes into those businesses that acts like he works there, and then he starts firing everybody. He recently got arrested, I think, like 2 days ago. They're talking about they're gonna give him 9 years in prison. I was telling my wife, damn, that's crazy. I was like, man, they definitely want to, they would definitely want to nip that in the bud. They don't want a bunch of other people walking into these businesses and creating chaos and whatnot. They're charging him with burglary, like false identification, and it's adding up to 9 years. And I was telling her, man, it's crazy because a lot of times you see these cases of like domestic violence, robberies, and they don't even get 9 years. I'm sure he's not gonna get 9 years. I'm pretty sure he's gonna end up ending up on probation. But man, kind of sucks, But he should have thought about it. Let me see, 9 years. That's crazy, yup. Let me see. What day is your wife? Her birthday was on what are we? What day is it? So her birthday was 4 days ago, on the 22nd. We celebrated here at the house, but then on the weekend we went ahead and celebrated with her family and whatnot. So, but yeah. Anyhow, hey, I do appreciate you guys. I will be on tomorrow. I'm gonna be doing some live courts. I'm gonna be doing some calls from prison tomorrow. We're gonna be having David and Jesse on. It should be after 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I do appreciate everybody that tuned in. This public service announcement has been brought to you by James from You Have a Collect Call From. Bye, bye. Have a good one. You see, mine's is the 16. Hey, happy belated birthday to you too. All right, I miss y'all tonight. Hey, if you guys want to catch the replay, I do archive all these streams at Collect Call From on YT. Drop some comments, sharing is caring is what I say around here. I don't ask for anything, but what I do ask for is free. Hey, gracias. I will. Hey, Zach, thank you, highly appreciate it. Hey, Hector, Maui, Jason, if you guys are still in here, and anybody, and Kayla, Justin. If you guys are still in the chat, I appreciate you guys, and I will see you guys mañana, if you will. Hey, boy, thank you for the follow. Highly appreciate that. And if you're not following, hit that follow button. It's free 99. Don't be a Scrooge McDuck. Don't be a Mr. Krabby Patty. You guys do it. Just do it. Hit the follow button. It's free 99. I missed it, Tonka. Damn, Tonka. I guess you're going to have to catch it on the replay, if you will. It was a short court. It was only like 13 minutes long. I just been blabbing for the last 6 minutes and whatnot. It's over. That's it. The fat lady sung, if you will. Hopefully I don't catch a violation for saying that, because you can't even say. Everything's so highly censored nowadays. You can't say anything without getting into problems. Anyhow, hey, I am Collect Call James. You are watching. You have a Collect Call From. And like I said around here, life's like a candle. Once you blow it out, it's lights out. And with that, we're out. Rato. Try rolling your R's and come back and tell me if you can roll your R's. All right? And with that, I'm out. Yeah, it's over. It's over, Tonka. That's it. Just too fast, if you will. Let me see. I'm gonna for those of you that didn't catch the 8 a.m. one, I'm gonna go ahead and Hector provided me with a copy. Yeah, Lexi, it's over, and I'm gonna be uploading it right now, so it should be up in the next hour or two. All right, if you guys want to catch the 8 a.m. court, and with that, I'm out.